Welcome to Home Decor Inspiration, the ultimate destination for all things interior design.
Modern Italian furniture represents a fusion of contemporary design trends and traditional craftsmanship, resulting in pieces that are both stylish and timeless. Renowned for its quality, innovation, and attention to detail, Italian furniture has long been synonymous with luxury and sophistication, making it a popular choice for interior design enthusiasts around the world. At the heart of modern Italian furniture design lies a commitment to excellence in both form and function. Each piece is meticulously crafted using high-quality materials such as leather, marble, glass, and wood, showcasing the expertise of Italian artisans and the rich heritage of Italian craftsmanship. Whether it's a sleek leather sofa, a sculptural dining table, or a minimalist shelving unit, modern Italian furniture exudes elegance and refinement, elevating any interior space with its presence. One of the defining characteristics of modern Italian furniture is its emphasis on clean lines, minimalist forms, and geometric shapes. Inspired by the principles of modernism and influenced by contemporary design trends, Italian furniture designers strive to create pieces that are both aesthetically pleasing and functional. This minimalist approach to design creates a sense of openness and simplicity in the interior, allowing furniture to become the focal point of the space without overpowering it. In addition to its minimalist aesthetic, modern Italian furniture also embraces innovation and experimentation in design. Italian designers are known for pushing the boundaries of traditional craftsmanship and exploring new materials, techniques, and technologies to create innovative and cutting-edge furniture pieces. From modular sofas that can be rearranged to fit any space to multifunctional pieces that serve multiple purposes, modern Italian furniture embodies a spirit of creativity and ingenuity that sets it apart from its counterparts. Another hallmark of modern Italian furniture is its versatility and adaptability to different interior styles and preferences. Whether it's a sleek and contemporary penthouse apartment or a classic and elegant villa, Italian furniture seamlessly integrates into any setting, adding a touch of sophistication and luxury to the space. In conclusion, modern Italian furniture represents the epitome of style, craftsmanship, and innovation in interior design. With its timeless aesthetic, impeccable quality, and versatility, Italian furniture has earned its place as a coveted choice for interior designers and homeowners alike. Whether it's a statement piece or a complete furniture collection, modern Italian furniture adds a touch of elegance and sophistication to any interior space, making it a timeless investment that will be enjoyed for years to come.
In conclusion, interior design is an exciting field where creativity flourishes and spaces come alive. We hope this video has inspired you to recognize the transformative power of interior design and start your own creative endeavors. Whether you are an experienced designer or just starting to explore this fascinating world, there is always something new to learn and discover. If you liked this video and found it informative, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We appreciate your support and look forward to sharing even more exciting design ideas with you in the future. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and remember that through imagination and creativity, you have the ability to turn any space into a reflection of your unique style and personality. Happy design!